Hindi na nakikita pero meron yan.
Wow!
Lahing German Shepherd na Rottweiler.
And yes, my family from Antique came to visit us here in Baguio, and we decided to go camping to enjoy the fresh air and beautiful nature of Baguio City. Surrounded by pine trees, cool weather, Baguio offers the perfect setting for bonding and creating a wonderful memory or a memory core for my children. So we are here to relax, chill, share good food, and make this time together truly special.
Hey! Yes, Daddy.
Daddy! Hello guys, it's me, Renessa, and today we are camping. And for the first time in a while, Papa Danny and Mama Nining are here na. Even Tita Lincoln who's sleeping somewhere there. And yeah, see you!
Para siyang may lahing German Shepherd na Rottweiler. Wow! Sarap naman na dito magpahinga, oh. Ay, may trapal siya ngayon, so iwas moist. Last time na ginawa namin to, nag-moist yung tent kasi. So naisipan namin bumili ng trapal. Ito si si camping girl. Anak? Masakit na daw yung put ni tita mo. Wait lang, tingnan ko lang dito. What about you?
Yeah!
You good?
Yeah!
Your tita Linggit good?
Yeah!
Not bad, okay na rin. At malamig malamig rin. Sobrang simple lang ng setup namin. Nasha! Yeah? Let's play RC?
I know, I said you accidentally turned it on.
What?
I said you accidentally turned it on.
Sarap magpahinga dito. Sobrang lilim, lamig, sobrang cool. Saan mo walang bidet. Ba't ka nagkahanap ng bidet? Ay, tingnan ka doon baka madulas ka doon. Grabe, kahit araw-araw gusto ko dito. Sa mga pakiramdam nandito na pala yung mga camping girl Hi!
I'm trying to kill this man.
Yeah. Let's fight again? No, just kidding. Hey,
Yeah?
you wanna fight?
No, it's cute.
Hey, Nesha.
Yeah?
Hi.
Good.
Hey, look here.
Yeah?
Nesha.
Hi. Look. What is that?
Ang sweet naman ng magkapatid na to. Oh no, ate. Mga native po yung mga yan, no?
Ang iba, yung malalaki, pre-range siya.
Takot ako sa chicken eh. Si Mama Lynn yung pinapakain niya. Takot ako sa chicken kasi hindi ko alam kung may binabalak na iba. Alright, nalobat tayo. Kailangan natin mag-charge ng battery. Yan, pahingi ng power papunta dito sa battery ng camera. So, all good in the hood. Bali tatlo yan. So, okay na. Tatlo yung mag-charge. Pero syempre, kailangan mong bantayan yung battery ng sasakyan rin. Baka ma-discharge.
Ibang giranog.
Resha, wanna have s'mores na? S'mores?
Yeah, sure.
May barbecue stick ba tayo ate?
Itong ka na, Mats?
Lamig.
Ha?
Ang lamig.
Hello, guys, it's me, Vanessa, the s'more cooker. So yeah, I am making s'mores for random people, like that, and of course for me, like that. Where's the chocolate that looks like poop?
Wait, does your poop look like that?
No, no poop. looks like a crust from poop and Hershey's. I mean kisses.
Ganda naman nung magtita. Oh,
Oh, what
camping
about
girl.
me? Am I not pretty?
You're pretty.
Ay, anak. Parang siyang anime. Di ba? Marshmallow.
What happened?
Yeah.
Hi, Mike.
Hi, baby.
Hello, Mossy.
Hello po.
Can I try?
Akala ko yung beer yung sinabi niyang kinay-try.
Pizza.
Hindi natutupi tong upuan dito sa harap. May space pa sana. Ang natutupi lang dito yung gitna. Nakakaunat naman kami. Katulad nung camping namin sa Camp Ragsak ba yun, babe? Tulog na yung prinsesa ko. Dito pwede kang magtanggal ng ng sweater. Pero pag sa labas, depende kasi ganito lang yung yung space ng window. So sila doon, malamig doon. Tingnan natin. Yan, nakakaunat naman ako. Wow. Yeah. Alright. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow. Nilayo ko muna yung sasakyan para mag-charge. Para hindi madiskarga. Kasi mag-charge kami ng mga phone. So, ayun. Umaandar dun. Bakit anak? Ano yun? Marshmallow? Aga-aga marshmallow? Oh. Let's fight. No? No? Oh. ride kay Daddy. Let's ride kay Daddy. Right.
Yeah, it's a trap.
I will eat this baby na.
No! Get back here, boy! Get back here, boy!
I'm going to lechon this baby. I will eat you.
No eating this baby. Wow.
Ano yan, mami? Ano to?
Sira.
Pusit na inihaw. Grabe. Tagal ko na hindi nakatikim nito.
Yeah. That's your balloon?
Patikman mo si Nesha. You try this one.
Pop.
Go. Good.
Just crackers.
See? Good.
Kinda good.
Bigyan mo sa adi mo.
I like me too.
Yan mga cowboys.
Alright, tulog pa. Tulog pa si Lingget. Tulog pa si Moti. Anak, halika. May tuturo ko sa inyo.
2 years ago.
Ito yung unang-unang burner namin.
2 years ago.
2 years ago?
Oh.
Ayan o, ayan o. Ayan.
Oh, you like that?
And the stand is like this. Pahingin na apoy dyan, babe.
You like,
Ayan.
ooh.
Just like that. And then, excuse me.
Pa.
Excuse me.
Mommy.
Uy, uy, uy.
Mommy.
Yun. You. Hindi lang nakikita pero meron yan. Wow!
Oh my god.
Epic fail naman. Ayan. Ang takuring uling-uling. Pakulo tayo ng tubig. Tapos, iihaw na dried pusit. Ensilada. Tapos, nag-iihaw kami dito ni Omay ng bangus ulit. Tapos, sinaing. Ayos po.
Yum. I don't touch her.